The Constitution further provides in Article 24 that a right or fundamental freedom may be limited by law where the limitation is reasonable and justifiable in an open and democratic society. Among the considerations outlined is the need to ensure that the enjoyment of rights by one person does not prejudice the rights and fundamental freedoms of others. Why is this amendment necessary? We are all aware of what has unfolded in recent months. Supermarkets looted, police stations and court buildings set on fire, police officers injured, women raped amidst the chaos, public calls to invade Parliament and State House circulated widely online. These are not peaceful protests. They are coordinated attacks on public order. And while the majority may have noble intentions, it takes a few rogue actors to turn rights into ruins. The bill is a direct response to that crisis. Before I go on, I want to recognize that we have lost a lot of youth in this process. And we as a country have to do something about that. And I believe that this has reached the highest office of the land. Parliament is also well informed about what we need to do in that area. We're all calling for police reforms, and we will do that, right? So while we know that that has happened, I mean, in 2017, we buried 97 people that were killed. So I come from the ODM party, and we know what it's like to lose lives. But even then, we can't bring back those lives. And I believe that the lives that have been lost with this Gen Z uprising also cannot be brought back. But if we actually put this order in place, then we will actually stop the loss of lives of innocent Kenyans, of protesters, as we reform the police as well. What the bill proposes is to clearly define public meetings and processions, introduce designated assembly and demonstration zones gazetted in consultation with county governments, prohibit public gatherings within 100 meters of key institutions, namely Parliament, courts, protected areas under the Protected Areas Act, prescribe penalties for violations, not to criminalize protests, but to protect lives and infrastructure.